So a view for what I am grateful for from this magical tree. I picked up what I can carry with me during my walk back. So look at this. Yummy. 2 sorts. So they are different. This is different. It's very juicy, and this is a bit harder but perfect to make some jam. Really tasty, and all from these beautiful trees. So I'm grateful. Now I'm carrying this back with me. And then we'll see. Now I just will walk, but I need my 2 hands. That's easier for me to get the balance for carrying the bag with the foot. So you see, if you are walking, you can see all these beautiful things around you. And be grateful for it, that you can eat it. The first moment that I was doing this, I had a little bit too much, so my bag was totally full, but was not so easy to carry with me. So now I just come a little bit more. And it's such a short walk to where we are living for the moment now. So I'm very happy that I can eat things from nature. Oh. So we'll see you at the next video. Bye.